Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make resume in Canva. After starting web browser, we can go to the address inputs.canva.com and press enter to go to Canva. And then we can go to templates and then we can find resume. Okay? And then we can have many templates for creating the resume. For example, we can find the crown icon. This is the Canva Pro features. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can subscribe it. Or if you don't want to subscribe, you can use the free version. For example, I pick this free version and then go to customize these templates. So a resume is created. Next, we can edit it. For example, we can edit the name. We can select it and use double click and we can type, for example, I type CG Ian, and then we can type the title. For example, I type content creator. So if you want to change the profile picture, we can go to file folder. We can click and drag the picture into Canva design, and then we can click and drag into profile picture to replace it. If you want to edit it, we can use double click to enter. To change the crop area, we can click and drag and move to change the crop area, and then we can press done. So if you complete the editing, we can save to JPG, PNG, or PDF. We can go to share and then go to download, and then we can go to file type. We can choose JPG, PNG, or PDF. So I pick PDF and then click download to download the PDF. So this is how we can make resume in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.